Hi guys, this is our pond and I think I can do better. So I have an idea. Let's do it. Hi guys, welcome back to the Seasonal Crew. And today we are at RAKAIA Gorge and we are going to be looking for some pebbles like here as you can see, but over there next to the river to put in our fish pond. And we have a bucket here to put all the rocks in. Let's jump into it. I'm excited. Oh no, guys, I think it's a little crisis situation. I think we have to find another way. There's any nothing. It's not easy to take out this rock. That's pretty cool. That's what I found. Seems like there's a way right here.
Lewat sini. Manang.
This way, Mona. Wait. Look at this. It's like a whole entire pond. Like, what the heck?
Manang nanti pleset loh.
And guys, I know we haven't made a video in a really long time because we were busy and we're sorry. It's so beautiful. Look at that. It's not too beautiful because it's raining. No, raining is my favorite weather. Look at this. Oh, it's a tree, everyone. It's a little tree. It's so cool. This is awesome. Around 7. Oh! Oh, what's that? Whoa. That's cool. You think that, does Papa think there might be any fish over there?
Huh?
There might be some fish over there in that. Oh. Guys, we're going to find some rocks to fill up and then we're going to go look around. Let's go. Guys, I think I found a jade. I think I found a jade. Oh, I found another one here. I found another one here. Look, one of them. Huh? We're going to find lots of cool rocks today. Oh, I found another one. And another one. And another one. What is that? Guys, look how many jades. What is this? No, Mona, look. Look what I found, Mona. Mona, look what I found. No, look. Wait, I dropped them. Put this in the bucket 100%. I found jades. Put them in. Woo. I'm going to vent it, boy. We have to look out for some cool rocks. Look out for some diamonds!
What?
So we're looking for little pebble rocks like these. We're looking for little pebble rocks like these. I think we can. I found another jade. Put them in. I need to wash them. Guys, look what I found. Jaden? Yeah? Look. Guys. What the heck? Put it in. Look at this. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so we can get to 3,000 subscribers. We're super close. Yeah. What the heck is that? Well, we would have get like digging material. That would be a good idea. Mona, I need your help. Whoa, what? Come. Whoa, look at that. I'm the rock expert here, so I know the most about rocks. Ooh, what is this? Jane, come, I need it. What is that? Whoa. Oh. Guys, look at that. It looks like tiger obsidian or something. Okay, I think we can start here now. piece of rock that I found today.
Guys, a little bit of this is like, see that part? Oh, it's slippery. That part is like a little bit of, I'm not pretty sure what that is, but it looks pretty cool.
What the heck? It looks like a poop.
Look at this.
It looks like a poop.
Here, just put this here. That's way too big.
Whoa. Bro, this place is amazing. It's filled with so much rocks.
Look at these two. I'm gonna wash these up.
Yep.
Look at those.
Whoa. Look at that building. Whoa. I found something under here. Look at these rocks that I found, guys. I don't really know what they are called, but these rocks are pretty cool. Guys, look at this bug that I found. It's like, I saw it like dying in the sand. Well, I'm gonna stop here. Find more cool rocks. Found it, right?
Guys, look what I found. Come over here. I'm gonna wash it off.
Whoa,
Look at that.
Whoa.
See, look, I found a good one.
same. Look. Whoa. Look at these guys. The coolest. Whoa. Oh, look at all these cool little rocks. Take them. Okay, before you look at it, look at this rock. Bro, look at that.
Look at that spider.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Where?
Right there.
But it's getting so wet.
Guys, do you see that?
Yeah?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look at this.
Guys, since it's almost filled, let's go check out that stream that we found earlier. Oh, hi, Jenna. She just arrived.
Hey.
Hello, guys. I'm here to join the peeps. And we're going to find rocks and stuff. Jenna, we already found so much rocks. We're going to head over to the stream. Stream? By the way, final warning from Mother. Don't get dirty or otherwise we will leave you here.
What?
Look at these. This is a jade. This is a jade, and I didn't know about this one, but it looks really cool, so I'm gonna put it in. Oh, wait, I found another one. Ow!
I tried to trick shot. Choose.
Hey, wait.
Video will end until I get trick shot. Close, close. We're almost there, guys. A little more. We're gonna go to the stream. We're gonna go to the stream. I can't go. Is your thing wet? Then I can't go through this. Yeah, give me the pen. Ah! Alright. We made it. Here's the stream. Alright, we're gonna go up.
Hiking up the hill.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Guys, my socks are wet.
Yeah, your socks are wet?
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta get past this, okay?
How? There's no way you can be able to go through.
I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna make the jump, guys. Okay? I wanna jump it. I made it.
How am I supposed to get through now?
Okay, walk through. I'll help.
Walk?
I'll help. It's fine. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, you can make it.
Oh, now my socks are even more wet.
It's fine, you can take it off in the car when we're done with this adventure. Whoa, this is amazing.
At least I have more shoes.
Yo. Look at this.
Guys, wait, I'm gonna hold it because I'm going through first.
Look
My
at
hands are
this.
not sandy anymore.
All right, here.
Guys, I'm recording now. Look at Jay's crib. Where are we going? That side? Okay, I can go.
Nah.
No.
Go back.
Oh, look at my shoes. Guys, let's go up here. Yeah?
Oh, here he is.
Oh, here is the daddy. Oh,
Well,
Mom,
you guys
look
give
at
a
my-
towel?
Mom, look at my feet. Oh, that's so wet. You can see that. Oh, did you bring a towel?
Papa, can I go get the scooper?
Yeah.
Right. Scooper. Okay, guys. We're gonna get the scooper. It's all the way over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's way over there. Let's go. All right. I see it. Oh. Oh, I gotta give him a wash. Wash him nicely. All right. Now that he's super clean, bring him back.
I think I found the real Jade. Look at that. Oh. Oh no. Okay.
Oh, we got the rocks. Now, we've got the rocks right here. That's the fish pond. And we're going to wash them with this
Yep.
hose.
I'm gonna turn on the
Hose.
hose.
Okay.
Don't
Ready?
get me wet.
Oh, nothing's coming out. Oh, there it is.
Is that enough?
Yep.
Okay, guys.
So we're just gonna wash it. And then we're gonna put them in. You're not getting anything.
Hey! Look at that. Stop it. Guys, now we finished washing them. We're gonna leave that water there. And then we're gonna just put them in the pond and see what it looks like. Come on, can I keep this one? I'm gonna keep like the really, really good ones. So, and I'm gonna put like ones like these inside. So, let's do that.
Guys, it looks much better. You can see there the black fish. It looks like he's enjoying it. So all the fish are inside of that little thing. You see the albino one over there. And it looks much, much better than before. We're gonna grab more rocks soon to fill up the little spaces, but I think this is good enough for now. And it looks like the fish are really enjoying it. The fish are really enjoying it, as you see over there. They're all swimming around.